Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm very glad to see you here today. Today I'm here to give you a quick reminder that schools have opened applications. So just watch the videos on applications and then put in as much as you can, yeah. Because this month is a very busy month for me in school, and then I just closed from school and then I'm going back home, and I decided to make this video for you. So it's a very busy month for me, so I'm here to remind you that schools have opened. Just search through the links that I provided and then make as many applications as you can, put them in, and then I'm going to come back strongly in March. And then March happens to be my birth month, so I'm going to give you more videos on study abroad, study in Germany, study in Europe, Australia. Videos will be coming everywhere in Europe, so just stay glued. I'll be covering scholarship opportunities in Europe, especially in Germany. And then those of you who want to have your bachelor's degree in Germany too, I got you covered. I'll be sharing more information about that. I have friends who are having their bachelor's degree here, so I'll be inviting them here, and then they will share their views and ideas and then take you through the process and everything you have to do. So in the nutshell, there's going to be more on Up Voice TV in March and then beyond. So share the link to your friends, your family. Let them all join so that we can all learn and grow together to make positive impact in our societies. So that is all I have for you today. I hope to see you in my next video as we interact more on this channel. Until then, may the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye bye.